Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Game Pass on Roblox. Now, at first, what you have to do is just open up your browser and go to roblox.com and make sure you're signed in. And after that, at the top, you're going to find the menu called Create. So just click on Create. And after that, you'll be redirected to create.roblox.com. From here, what you have to do is just on the left side, go to Creations. And from here, make sure you're in the Experiences tab. Then just click on any of the experiences. And from here, just scroll down a bit. And under monetization, you'll find something called passes. Just click on that. And just scroll down a bit. Here, you'll see create a pass. Just click on that. And after that, you need to upload an image. This is the default image. If you want, you can change it. You must upload a .jpeg, .bmp, or .png image. Then just give it a name, for example, Game Pass or anything. And give it a description as well. This is a Game Pass. And after that, just click on Create. And there you go. You have created your Game Pass. Then you can just click on this and click on Open in a new tab. You can also sell this if you want. Just click on Sale. And from Sale, you can enable the item for sale and give it a price. Be aware of one thing, that Roblox takes a cut from the price. And also you can change the basic settings from here as well. And basically that is how to create a Game Pass in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.